Good morning, dear student. Ionic equilibrium, easy way to derive relation between solubility product K solubility and molar solubility S. Establish a relationship between the solubility product and molar solubility for the following: barium sulfate and silver chromate Ag2CrO4, barium sulfate and silver chromate. Now I am going to write the equation of barium sulfate. BaSO4, a solid barium is a 2 plus ion alkaline earth metal ion, sulfate 2 minus ion. When you cross the valency, that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled, which is a solid when dissolved in water H2O. Undergo ionization in aqueous medium gives Ba 2 plus ion and sulfate 2 minus ion, SO4 2 minus ion. Both are in aqueous medium. The molar solubility is given by S value, small s value, molar solubility. Molar solubility is given only for the ion. One barium 2 plus ion means 1 S you have to put. Before that you have 1 here, stoichiometric coefficient, therefore 1 S. Sulfate ion only solubility or molar solubility is S. The stoichiometric coefficient is 1. Now I am going to write the solubility product of K solubility product is equal to, what is the formula? Concentration of Ba 2 plus power this 1 stoichiometric coefficient into concentration of sulfate 2 minus power this 1 divided by concentration of solid is a constant or equal to 1. Therefore, here we do not take that concentration of barium sulfate solved, equal to Ba2 plus 1 S power 1, sulfate 2 minus 1 S power 1. This power is stoichiometric coefficient, that is equal to 1 S into 1 S equal to 1 S squared. K solubility equal to S squared. This is for barium sulfate. Now we are going to write one more compound, that is silver chromate AgCrO4. Ag is monopositive, chromate is a 2 minus ion. When dissolved in water which is solid, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. Silver chromate undergo ionization gives 2 Ag plus and 1 CrO4 2 minus ion. As I told in the previous one, for Ag plus the molar solubility is S. Here before 2 stoichiometric coefficient, therefore we are adding 2. The molar solubility of chromate is S, before 1, here 1. Now write the formula used to calculate the solubility product. What is the formula? K solubility product equal to concentration of Ag plus power 2 concentration of CrO4 2 minus power 1. This 2 is the stoichiometric coefficient. Substitute the value of Ag plus ion and chromate ion in this equation, that is equal to Ag plus 2S square and chromate ion 1S power 1 means power 1, that is equal to 2 squared 4. Here S squared, there S, therefore 4S cube. K solubility product equal to 4S cube. Now we are going to discuss one more problem under the relationship between solubility product and Molar solubility. Write the expression for the solubility product of Ca3PO4 twice. Nothing but calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. This is also the relationship between solubility product and molar solubility. Now I write the equation calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate PO4. Calcium is a 2 plus ion, phosphate is a 3 minus ion. That 3 is here, this 2 is there. It is a solid. Undergo hydrolysis when treated with H2O. When treated with H2O. Calcium phosphate gives a calcium 2 plus ion. How many calcium 2 plus ion? 3 calcium 2 plus ion plus phosphate 3 minus ion gives a PO4 3 minus ion. PO4 3 minus ion. How many phosphate? 2 phosphate. For the ions, calcium 2 plus ion, the molar solubility is S. Before 3, that is added along with the S. For PO4 3 minus ion, it is solubility product here too. Now, I write the equation to calculate the solubility product. K solubility product is equal to concentration of calcium 2 plus ion cube and concentration of PO4 3 minus square. PO4 3 minus square. Now, we are going to substitute the value. That is equal to calcium 2 plus ion is 3s cube and phosphate 3 minus ion 2s square is equal to 3 cube we know 27s cube and 2 squared 4s squared. 27 into 4 108. 4 7s are 28, remaining 2. 4 into 2s are 8 plus 2 equal to 10, 108. S cube into S power 2 equal to S power 5. This is K solubility product, relationship between solubility product and molar solubility. Thank you for watching this video. In the incoming video also we are going to discuss the problem related to molar solubility and solubility product. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.